Hello guys, it is early morning for me and it is Tuesday the 1st of May. Pinch punch, 1st of the month. Hopefully by the time you are watching this, David Watt should have received his Swapsie parcel. So in return for him making the crap clock, the binary coded decimal clock, he sent it over to me to build, which you should see in a video up there. He's publicised me doing it. I've got a shed load of subscribers off the back of David, so much appreciated, mate. Thank you very much. But in return for his clock, I said I would make him a case for the clock. So here is my binary clock, and it is in this horrible gnarly green, which I'm using for most of my prototypes because I've got tons of it. This is the backless version, so it has no back, so you can access everything. And it has a front bezel which snaps on, and the back, and I've got various different options. There's a standard one where you can just access the power pins. There's a USB version where you can plug in USB if you've got a little USB breakout, and I'll stick a link to the description to a USB breakout that you can buy on AliExpress. And there's also the backless version, and I think that's it. So I'm going to provide the STL files, and I've also done a 3D render of the actual circuit board. It's a step file, so if anyone actually wants to make their own 3D printed cases, or if they've got some kind of 3D thing that they want to build around it, they can use a step file, and that is the clock in its accurate form. But the actual STLs for the case will be provided to David, and I think I'll put it on Thingiverse as well. I'll probably do a better video explanation of how I built it and what they'll use for and how to connect it. In my infinite wisdom, the front bezel is slightly off center, so there is a top and a bottom on the front bezel when you snap it on, but I'll explain that in the other video that I will hopefully do, and I will probably mark it on the model as well, just so you know what's top. So as well as providing the files to David, I've also printed them out for him and sent them to him. I know he's got a 3D printer, but I thought I would print them out for him, so he's got some physical cases to play with. Use. I printed them out in Filamentum Vertigo Grey and Vertigo Galaxy as well, just so he's got a bit of a sparkly case. They are awesome filaments to print with, and the sparkle really adds a bit of dimension to the colour, and it also helps with hiding the layer lines. They look really good when they're finished. The ones that I did for David, they're in 0.15mm layer height, standard settings, 2 perimeters, 25% infill. The temperature's like 190, I think it's a 60-degree bed. Yeah, all comes out great. I printed them in this orientation, that orientation, with the front bezel and the back bezel, and that's so hopefully, David, you should have received your package today. Got the cases in it for the clock. It's got a couple of extra little surprises for you, just to say thank you for the clock. It's been a really cool project to work on. I've really enjoyed it. It's been really good collaborating with people as well, helping David out, and he's sending it over and making the case. I think the next case for me to do is actually for Seon, on the Unexpected Maker. He's not asked me to do this. I think I just want to build something for his 7-segment Neo displays. And I want to make like a cool retro looking 7-segment like freestanding thing that has like a black outline, like a clear natural PLA just to diffuse the LEDs. So that is my next project when I get around to it. So hopefully David will upload some kind of video, touch wood, of getting the package and having a go with the cases. Let me know what you think, mate. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe, and if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, look left. Oh wait, a lot of you enjoyed my Sean Hodgkins impression on my last video, so let's exit this video in Sean Hodgkins style, and I'm holding the camera as well like Sean. So this has been Stephen Ludgate. No, wait, I can't do it. I'm not Sean. This has been Stephen Ludgate. Thanks for watching.